Hello everyone, welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a colorful and super delicious Veg Cheese Sandwich. It's quick, healthy and full of flavor, perfect for breakfast or an evening snack. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons each of onion, green capsicum, carrot, yellow capsicum and red capsicum. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon oregano and half teaspoon chili flakes. Then add 2 tablespoons mayonnaise and mix everything well. This is your creamy and crunchy sandwich filling. Take some bread slices, spread butter on one side. Now place a lettuce leaf. Use fresh lettuce for extra crunch. Then the prepared vegetable mixture. And a cheese slice. On another bread slice, layer lettuce, cucumber slices and tomato slices. You can use brown or multigrain bread for a healthier version. Vegetables provide vitamins and fiber, while cheese adds calcium and protein together. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper powder for extra taste. Cheese slice. Now place the veg bread slice over it and cover with another bread slice. Spread butter on the top. Heat 1 tablespoon butter in a frying pan. Place the sandwich and cook for 2 minutes on low heat. Add a little butter while cooking for a cafe-style flavor. Flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on low heat until golden and crispy. Always toast on low heat, it helps the cheese melt evenly. And there it is, a delicious, cheesy, colorful veg cheese sandwich ready to serve. Adding colorful veggies makes kids more interested in eating healthy. Cheese not only adds flavor but also gives calcium and protein. You can make endless sandwich variation. This one's a perfect balance of taste and nutrition. It's a wholesome snack that keeps you full and energized. So that's our simple yet delicious veg cheese sandwich. If you like today's recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Tell me in the comments what's your favorite sandwich combo.